Very good morning to you all being here. It's my privilege to be in front of you to share a few words about the significance of the day. Today, we are going to see about the World Asteroids Day. The World Asteroids Day is celebrated June 30th to spread the awareness to the people in the world to know the impact about the asteroids and its hazard. United Nation, it is what is it proclaimed it's observed globally in its resolution in June 30th every year, and its resolution, and it also make these asteroids is raises and aims of the people to spread awareness towards these asteroids day, and also it has to be what has to be done to protect this earth as well as the its family, its community, as well as future generation from the impacts of the azotes, as well as this World Asteroid Day, also known as the International Asteroid Day. This day was celebrated in December 2016. It was started in 2016. United Nations General Assembly has adopted the revolution ARS 7190, and it has declared June 30th in the International Asteroid Day to observe annually in the anniversary of Tungusko impact over the Siberia and also Russian Federation in 1908 at the international level to raise awareness about these adverse impact of asteroids. Let us tell you the General Assembly's decision we made on the basis of the proposal made by the Association of Space Explorers, which was endorsed by the Committee on the Space of Uses of Outer Space, and also these impacts which was held at the Tungusko impact, it shows the validity and how we have to use in future, how this it has provided, how this asteroid provide to explore in the future exploration, how we can protect our planet from the impact of these asteroids hazards. Therefore, asteroids are rocky objects that found orbiting around the sun and also in between of the Jupiter as well as the Mars. It is necessary to understand about asteroids hazards impacts. So, for this World Asteroids Day is celebrated across the globe to educate the people about the asteroids and their impacts. So let us watch a video to know about the asteroids and its impacts.
2 trillion metric tons of rock is headed straight for them, and impact is less than 20 minutes away. But the rock's enormous mass is only part of the threat. As it gets closer to the planet, the Earth's gravitational pull gets stronger, causing the asteroid to accelerate until it's traveling at more than 70,000 kilometers per hour. And mass times acceleration equals force. As the asteroid encounters atmosphere, friction turns it into a fireball. It takes just 4 minutes to cross the Atlantic Ocean on its way towards Mexico and the Alamosaurus. As it travels, it crushes and superheats the air surrounding it, turning gas and debris into white-hot plasma. At around 20,000 degrees Celsius, it burns many times brighter than the surface of the sun. It takes just 5 seconds to flash through the atmosphere. The impact seems instantaneous. But hidden within this cataclysm is a series of discrete events, invisible to the naked eye, but key to understanding what follows. asteroid's trajectory is shallow. It flies in at around a 30-degree angle to the surface. This means that the full brunt of its destructive power will be thrown forward of the impact point. Even before the fireball touches down, its brightness in the sky is unimaginable. 800 kilometers from the impact site, the light is so intense it causes the flesh of the Alamosaurus to appear transparent and burns images of their shadows onto the ground. The scorching light sears their eyeballs. They now can't see what's headed their way, but they can feel it. The asteroid hits with an explosive force of 100 trillion metric tons, more than 1 billion times the power of the bombs dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. If the asteroid had crashed into deep ocean, some of the force would have been absorbed. Instead, it hits the shallow waters of the Gulf of Mexico, which instantly vaporize. In a fraction of a second, the entire asteroid disintegrates into the planet. Earth and rock are hurled skywards at 160,000 kilometers an hour. Behind them, more than 300,000 cubic kilometers of the Earth's crust explodes from the ground. 800 kilometers from the crash site, the air temperature reaches 300 degrees Celsius, so hot that the water in the dinosaur's skin boils, escaping in bursts of steam. The fiery blast sucks every drop of moisture from the surrounding vegetation. Anything directly exposed to the blistering heat is simply burned alive.
Yes, of course, asteroids are the rocky objects that are found orbiting around the sun, also between the planets known as the Mars as well as the Jupiters. I hope you people had understand what is asteroids and its impacts. Thank you, students. Thank you, teachers, for this opportunity.